Sandblasting remains a cornerstone technique for surface preparation, rust removal, paint stripping, and precision finishing across automotive, industrial, and DIY applications. The category spans portable handheld systems for tight spaces to larger tank-style blasters designed for extended use and bigger projects. When evaluating these tools,
list number 1. VEVOR 20-gallon Sandblaster. The VEVOR 20-gallon model targets larger projects with a dedicated abrasive tank, high flow capability, and a filtration separation system to minimize moisture-related clogging. It ships with 4 ceramic nozzles, 3/32, 7/64, 1/8, and 9/64 pre-installed, and a pressure gauge-connected oil-water separator designed to keep dry media flowing and protect the valve from moisture. Recommended operating range is 60 to 110 psi with 6 to 25 CFM air consumption and a practical abrasive capacity around 8.7 gallons for 60 to 100 grit media. Mobility is aided by 2 6-inch wheels and an 8-foot hose for reach. Performance-wise, this model prioritizes consistent media flow and lower clog risk thanks to the moisture separator and pressure gauge integration. The upgraded die-cast aluminum sandblaster gun reduces weight and improves durability versus traditional brass guns, which is beneficial during extended sessions. The 20-gallon capacity supports longer blasts between refills, making it well-suited for rust removal on larger items like iron frames or statues. However, the system demands a robust air compressor, 5.5 kilowatt equivalent noted, and a reasonably capable compressor to meet the 60 to 110 psi and 6 to 25 CFM requirements. Underpowered setups will struggle to maintain blasting density.
List number 2. InnoCraft Leak-Proof Portable Sandblaster Gun Kit with Oil-Water Separator. This budget-friendly, compact kit emphasizes ease of use and beginner-friendly operation. It includes a 900cc hopper, extension nozzle for reaching tight spots, an oil-water separator, ceramic nozzles, quick connectors, and safety goggles. It is designed to work with 60 to 120 psi air compressors and is marketed as a complete starter system for DIY projects and small-scale rust or paint removal tasks. The kit's governance of flow is simple. Pull the trigger for media delivery, minimizing user guesswork and leaks. Performance-wise, the unit excels in accessibility and user-friendliness. The compact form factor makes it ideal for small garages or outdoor benches where a full-blown tank blaster would be excessive. Media compatibility is broad: aluminum oxide, sand, walnut shell, soda, but users should ensure dry media to avoid clogging and be mindful of airflow constraints from smaller compressors. While not heavy-duty, its value proposition sits in getting started quickly with reliable basics and a 1-year warranty, which reduces risk for newcomers.
List number 3. Aluminum Oxide Sandblaster System. The Ritza Furious system focuses on precision blasting with a 360-degree rotatable nozzle in dual spray angles, plus an anti-backflow design to minimize blockages and maintain stable media flow. The stainless steel housing and 306 steel internal tubing promise durability under abrasive conditions, and the kit includes an extra reservoir bottle and extension hose to support handheld operation and flexible reach. This model is pitched toward detail work, surface cleaning, and surface preparation tasks where control and repeatability matter most. Performance-wise, the anti-backflow mechanism is a meaningful feature for maintaining consistent material delivery and reducing maintenance overhead. The 360-degree nozzle adds versatility for accessing curved surfaces or internal contours, and the robust materials, tungsten nozzle, stainless steel housing, help longevity under higher wear. The compact footprint, 8.3 by 1.2 by 2.5 inches, means it's more of a specialty tool or supplementary blaster rather than a primary large area unit. It's best used for targeted treatments rather than blasting large panels.
List number 4. The LELE Limatec Portable Sandblaster Gun Kit for Rust Removal. LELE Limatec offers a portability-focused siphon ceramic sandblaster designed for precision detail work and small projects.
It emphasizes compatibility with a range of media and relies on a gravity-fed reservoir for steady flow. The kit includes siphon hose and pickup tube with a job site-friendly form factor and a well-established brand presence in the detail work segment. A notable requirement is a 150 psi 4 CFM air compressor for optimal results. Performance-wise, this model excels in delicate tasks, such as fine rust removal on tools or glass etching, where control and minimal media consumption matter. The gravity-fed system helps with steady delivery, though it can be more sensitive to nozzle clogging if the media is too coarse or moisture-laden. Ergonomics are strong, with a compact, lightweight build suitable for prolonged use, but it's best paired with a beefier air source to maintain consistent performance.
List number 5. Vevor 5-gallon Sandblaster. The Vevor 5-gallon model narrows the footprint compared with the 20-gallon variant while maintaining the same core features: a robust nozzle kit, moisture management via an oil-water separator, and a pressurized blasting setup compatible with 60 to 110 psi. It targets mid-sized projects that require more mobility than a fixed tank but more capacity than a handheld gun. The kit includes 4 ceramic nozzles and an 8-foot hose for reach, similar to the larger model. Performance-wise, this unit successfully balances portability with blasting density. The 5-gallon capacity requires more frequent reloads than the 20-gallon unit, but remains practical for exterior rust removal on furniture, frames, and ornaments. The ceramic nozzles offer good wear resistance, and the pressure and air consumption specs aligned with common workshop compressors. However, users should not push it into long, continuous blasts without monitoring media levels to avoid overheating or clogging from fine media contaminants.